Every single house should have a generator. This is the Elite 30 portable generator. It has a digital display, 288 watts per hour, 2 120 volt plugs, plus 2 USB-Cs and 2 USBs. As your AC input on the side, plus it has a 600 watt output. This is so lightweight and portable, you can take it on a road trip, you can bring it with you if you're an outdoors person or if you have a power outage. It comes in multiple colors if that matters to you, and it's on sale today. You definitely want to grab this up. Every